Omugagga Brianwhite akoze katemba ng'aleetebwa mu kooti e Makindye. Akatambi koli mu kulaba keeko munnange jjukira nti nnono bamuwawaabidde mu kooti y'e Makindye. Ensonga z'omwana eyafa ayitibwa Karo munnange tezinaba kuba nti naate eziggwa wabula Brianwhite wabadde aleetebwa nga woli mu kulaba mu katambi awo atemye omulanga okitegeera atemye omulanga Bambi alaajanye embeera nno tennabeera nnungi gyali omulaba nga Bambi ali mu bulumi naye ate munanga badde alina okulabikako mu kooti y'e Makindye. Subscribing, liking, leka obaka bwawo mu comment section. Engineer Balimwezo Nsubuga ngono yegwanyiza ekifo kya Lord Mayor amunanga avuddeyo n'ayanukula Honorable Ssewanyana. Jjukira nti Honorable Ssewanyana yamuyisizaamu eggaali era n'alyoka ayogera ne ku nsonga y'okuba nti no munnange ono mulema kaakati Balimwezo azizza omuliro.
Tokumanga munno bulema. Manga muno uchi lema penna masuka katonda tuli chechi omulema no muchi natali mulema nze nafuna akabenje era olw'obulema buno bwe nafuna tekyandeeta okuba nti nfuka omukulembeze kubanga ntegera obulumi omuntu afunye akabenje bw'ayitamu nengamba kangende mpereze ng'omukulembeze ng'okugulu kuno kumaze okuvaako kuno mu accident kuno okubuddeko mukulaba kino kipiira kiki kino kipiira leero kambalagire ddala nti kipiira mukiraba saazaalibwa bwe nti nedda kati oyo yenna agerega kisobola okugwako akaseera konna.
Nga tukyali ku nsonga y'emu eya Honorable Ssewanyana munnange okuvaayo ate n'alangira Balimwezo obulema okitegeera nno mukwano kaakati abakyagenda mu maaso n'okuba nti no batabukira Ssewanyana.
Allan Ssewanyana twakwesiga nga teri akumanyi ovudde kale lyanko tegategeerekeka okitegeera oze kukuwadde oba MP gw'ovuma abantu obulema. Parliament si ya mupiira. Amagezi waga nti Parliament yakusangira mu mupiira. Parliament yakuteesa. Twagala bwongo, twagala amagulu, twagala mikono. Ekyamazima kankubuuleko mujega gwe. Parliament ne yandibadde nga ne banga omutalina mikono talina kugulu naye ng'alina obwongo. Parliament twagala mu biteeso. Okitegedde ssebo kati Balimwezo gwolangira obulema ekyamazima ffe tumwagala mulema kasita omuntu ogubanga si mulema n'onoyogera ebyenkanawa n'onookola otya okumanya ng'oli mujega okutte essaawa zo kati gwoyogerera ate Lord Mayor obulwa obukulemi okunoonya n'onooyogera ebyenkanawa. Parliament si ya migulu si ya mikono si ya muki. Parliament ya mutwe. Ssewanyana tutegeere bulungi taata Parliament ya mutwe.
Bwe tweyongerayo rape munnange avuddeyo n'alyoka abuuza gwe omulabi wa Newspark Channel mbu lwaki tonnafumbirwa. Lwaki tonnafumbirwa bw'ate bw'avuddeyo n'alyoka agamba. Era munnange n'agamba nti yeewuunya abantu ababeera awo munnange nga beeraliikirira abakyala abafumba okuba nti no baafunye embuto. Agambye nti nno omukyala omufumba okufuna olubuto si mawulire. Bino byonna bannanno munnange abyogera mu Luzungu. Rape kati munnange vidiyo yazikoze mu Luzungu okitegeera katubeere nga tumukuwa.
But I wanted us to talk about why are you still home? Why are you not yet married? You are 30 plus, you are not yet married. Why? As in why? What's your ideal man? What do you see in a man? Who do you want to be your husband? Because there is a clip that I saw, or there are so many videos that I find, people are insulting people's husbands. Like, oh, this guy is short. Oh, this guy is old. Oh, this guy looks bad. Oh, this guy is so ugly. Oh, this guy... Like, what's your ideal man? Don't you think that those are some of the reasons as to why you are still home? Don't you think? As in, have you ever sat alone in that corner or in your bedroom and you just ask yourself, God, why am I still single? You might not be single, but you are just not being married. Have you ever asked yourself? Or maybe you just have bad manners. Okay, I don't want to say that, but why do you think you are still single? Because there are so many reasons as to why people are still single. First and foremost, if today I wasn't married, I would say I am still single because I am so independent. I love doing things the way I want them to be. I love doing things myself. I am literally so independent. That is why I work so hard. I'm not used to asking, like, oh, give me this, give me that, give me, oh, please, can I have this? I'm not so used. So if I get a man who cannot provide, like, without me asking, then that's a deal. Say it's a deal, not a deal done. It's what should I say? It's not something that would work for me. You understand? So one of the things that would make me, or that would keep me single, are those. But when it gets to manners, oh my God, I am so mannered. When it gets to, I know someone is like, Ray, you being mannered, guys, you know the Ray of social media. The Ray that stays at home is a chef. She is a mother. She is a wife, a very submissive wife, by the way, very submissive wife to a husband that, you know, so many people be asking what submissiveness is. But it also goes like two way. A submissive wife should be the wife that what should I say? You know, a good man, it's automatic that you'll be submissive. That's the truth. So for men who are watching me right now, what I can tell you is just be a good man, and you'll see how your wife will be submissive. You understand? So yeah. A very submissive wife. I was telling you that I am really a good person. I am really a good mother and a good wife, a good friend, a good daughter. So at the end of the day, there's nothing like that could fail me from getting married, honestly speaking. The only thing that would fail me from getting married is I love things my way. Like I want to wake up. I don't want to ask, oh, now the problem is I have to ask cocktail. Can I please go out? Cocktail. I have to do this cocktail. I have to do that. Now that is the problem. You know, and when you get married, guys, that's one of the things that were really hard for me to adjust to. I remember posting on my TikTok recently, and I told people, oh, guys, I'm not feeling well, but I just had to come out and do this video because, and then everyone was like, do not tell us that you are pregnant. I was like, yo, what are you talking about? Is it a crime to be pregnant? Guys, you need to normalize being pregnant, and mostly if you are married. It's okay to be pregnant anytime, any day, as long as you and your partner are okay with it. The rest is background noise. That's what I can say. So I saw the comments of people saying, you are pregnant. And I was like, what's wrong with me being pregnant? I can be pregnant anytime. I mean, I don't sleep with my brother. I sleep with my husband. I mean, my husband. But all in all, I am happy. I am glad. I am okay. I am just here loving on me, loving on my family, my little small family. and trying to see how everything goes on.
Bannamawulire kw'ossa n'abantu ab'enjawulo bakyagenda mu maaso n'okukukkuluma nga bakukkulumira munange Chosen Becky olw'okuba nti no yabakwese okukyala.
About Chosen Becky, apparently she did a secret kuchala.
Finally.
Journalists know what was invited.
Yes.
Now that shows you the kind of friends you do have. If you didn't invite any journalists, then who sneaked out and told people that?
That you did. No.
She wanted to be secretive because somebody close to me,
Yes.
a friend in the industry, say, oh, they wanted to go and cover and all that.
Yes.
So now who got to tell people that, oh, there was a kuchala here?
But either way, they were going to find out. As long as they didn't cover. Me, I think that was
Yes,
her
I
goal.
agree.
Them, for real, someone recorded and said, yeah.
So that means the people we do have.
Sivangu.
My boss, Flavia, when she did her thingy with Mr. Cabra, bro, you didn't even know about it. I just couldn't have like, hey.
I remember even Anita Fabiola. No one knew she was pregnant apart from her close friends.
So choose your circles so well.
Juliana, very private people.
So your circles mamuva agenda okuratinga.
Bwetweyongerayo omuyimbi Shiba Kalungi bamutabukidde eno bamubuuzizza lwaki ennaku zino buli luyimba lwafulumya babeera balukaayanira oba baba bagamba nti ayina gwe yalubbyeko.
Not because I'm attacking Shiba, but I'm just asking a simple question. Lwaki ennaku zino buli luyimba Shiba lwofulumya balukaayanira? Lwaki buli luyimba lwofulumya balukaayanira oba lubaako nnyinirwo? Buli luyimba lwofulumya unless nga mu mistaken ne buli luyimba lwofulumya ennaku zino kubeerako nnyinirwo eyaluyimba. What went wrong? Management ya Shiba kino ekintu mukirowoozeeko. Mulina okukola due diligence nga temunnagula nnyimba zino ng'emazima. Mugenda kunyiigira abantu bangi nnyo naye ng'ekituufu kiri nti ennaku zino ennyimba zammwe bazikaayanira. Ekyavaako ne Frank Ntambye okugenda mu kkomera lwali luyimba lwe mwali mukaayanira ne Jeff ne management y'omuyimbi. Na buno obudde kyekimu kye mulimu ne grenade official. Ate abantu bonna mukaayana b'ennyimba balina akakwate oba wali balina akakwate ku tiimu no siripu. Bwane grenade official yaliko ku tiimu no siripu. Ekibuuzo kiri nti what went wrong Madamu Shiba ne tiimu eyo yonna? Lwaki ennyimba kati muzikayanira nnyo n'abantu?
I don't need anybody's validation.
Yes.
Okusobola okukola kyennyina okukola. Gw'osobola okungamba ekyo si kirungi nze n'ekikola because there are some clients out there. Nze senga nali ngoberera ebigambo bannayuganda bye baŋŋamba. I shouldn't have performed in those countries. I shouldn't have been the educators of today. Temwandibaddemu BET mu museum. Nze nyina waliyo video ginoonya omusajja bamuyitanga Allan Ssewanyana ng'akola akasengejje. Yasuula oluyimba lwa City Arose mu Kasero. Yakwata CD n'agimenya ku TV. It is on record. It is there on YouTube. Bamuyitanga n'omusajja.
Toyinza mwerabira.
Yakwata twafulumya City Arose. N'akwata CD n'agimenya be pa n'agikasuka mu Kasero. It is on YouTube. Nenze tekyanstopping akola kyenkola ki. Today bwe tuba tukola music ngono, you target or very intentional from the word go for those particular audiences. Like for example, the Academy of Grammy members, abantu abali technical. Here we are talking about music in a different perspective. We are not talking about Jangu, Jubisamu, or Jango Kolota. Now we are intentionally about Grammys because it's about winning it, being nominated, being recognized. Today I'm talking about the entire world. The entire Africa is discussing me. And you are saying that I've not done enough. What are you talking about?
Bwete tambude badde mulabi mulungi alekwekumira ku Newspack channel kankusobere ngo subscribinga, likinga n'okuleka obubaka bwawo mu comment section. Beera bulungi, weeraba.